Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, I have brought you 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make your cooking and organizing tasks super easy. These are smart, handy and budget friendly. All product links are in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. If you want your kitchen to look modern and function smarter, then stay tuned till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more gadget-packed videos. Now, let's dive into the video. Stainless steel towel holder. Say goodbye to drilling holes for hanging towels. This stainless steel towel holder comes with a strong self-adhesive backing that sticks firmly on smooth walls or tiles. It's perfect for your kitchen, bathroom or wash basin area. The sleek design not only saves space, but also adds a modern touch to your interior. Just peel and stick. No screws, no damage. AntiSlip Shelf Mat. Keep your kitchen shelves, drawers and fridge neat and clean with this washable EVA shelf liner. It's made of food-grade material, so it's safe to use around groceries. Flexible silicone funnel. Transferring oil, milk or any liquid from large containers to bottles has never been easier. This foldable silicone funnel is heat-resistant and made of food-grade material, making it safe and durable. Its mushroom shape folds flat for easy storage in any drawer. Ideal for any home cook who values cleanliness and precision. It's compact, mess-free and super useful. Electric slicer, chopping veggies or shredding cheese. This electric slicer does it in seconds. It comes with multiple blades that let you slice, shred and grate without any effort. The compact design makes it easy to store, and the powerful motor handle stuffs veggies with ease. Perfect for making salads, toppings or even prepping for large meals. Save your time and ditch the manual cutting. Bread maker. Make fresh, homemade bread at the touch of a button. This smart bread maker offers 19 settings for bread, cakes and even gluten-free recipes. You can choose from 3 crust colors and control everything with the easy-to-read LCD. It kneads, rises and bakes automatically. No supervision needed. A real treat for bread lovers and baking enthusiasts. Electric chopper. Chop, mince or dice in seconds with this electric chopper that comes with a 600 milliliter bowl and a twin blade system. It's perfect for vegetables, fruits, nuts and even whisking eggs or cream. The transparent bowl lets you see everything clearly and doubles as storage with the included lid. Compact, efficient and easy to clean. Ideal for everyday kitchen tasks. Manual garlic press. Tired of sticky fingers while chopping garlic? This manual garlic press makes it super easy. Just place the clove and press. Out comes finely minced garlic. The stainless steel body is strong, rust-proof and dishwasher safe. A must-have if you use garlic often in your cooking. Say goodbye to smelly hands and uneven chopping. Water bottle organizer. Keep your bottles organized and easily accessible with this stackable bottle holder. Whether it's water, soda or wine, this organizer holds them all in a space-saving manner. As soon as you grab one bottle, the next one rolls into place automatically. Made with durable plastic, it's great for cabinets, fridges or countertops. A simple solution for clutter-free storage. Electric Latte Art Pen. Take your coffee game to the next level with this electric Latte Art Pen. Use it to draw patterns, write messages or decorate cakes with cocoa, cinnamon or edible powders. It's battery operated and super lightweight, making it easy to use for beginners and pros alike. A great tool for creative bakers or coffee lovers. Impress your guests with beautiful designs every time. 2-in-1 Egg Boiler. Boil or poach eggs perfectly every time with this compact 2-in-1 Egg Boiler. It has modes for soft, medium and hard boiling, plus a poaching tray for up to 4 eggs. The stainless steel heating plate and transparent lid ensure durability and easy monitoring. You can also steam veggies with it. Super versatile. Great for busy mornings or protein-packed meals. And that's a wrap on today's top 10 amazing kitchen gadgets. I hope you found something useful to make your cooking experience easier and more fun. All the product links are down in the description, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.